Have you ever tried to add a pattern or a texture to a specific portion of an image in Photoshop? This is how you can do it. I have Photoshop already preloaded with the image that I'm going to be working in. I've also imported my pattern. Scale and position your pattern onto the element that you're going to be adding this pattern to. In this case, I'm going to be sticking it over this cushion. From there, you want to hide the pattern layer and you want to make sure the living room layer is selected. Okay, now you need to make a selection on the part of the image you want to add your pattern to. I'm going to select the polygon lasso tool and make my selection. Once you have your selection, go back over to your patterns layer and unhide it. Create a mask off of this selection. Just at the bottom of the layers panel, you will see this icon. Click that and it will mask out everything else. Next, you want to head over to the blending options and select multiply. Rinse and repeat for all the other elements within your photo and you're done. Thank you for watching and I hope this helps.